May Pioneer DJ headphones ka, tapos tas-tas na yung ear cups nila. Katulad nito, sobrang dali lang pala nila palitan. I only found out the other day. Akala ko kailangan mo tong padala pa sa service center or something para i-replace nila yung ear cups, and you couldn't do it yourself. Apparently, you can. And I found out just how. So what you're gonna need is yung actual replacement pads ito. You can get them from Pioneer DJ Philippines. Ito, galing sa kanila. Although meron other replacement pads that you can also get online, hanap ka na lang sa Lazada or sa Shopee. So all you need to do is, itong pad na to, iikutin siya, kaya siyang tanggalin. You can simply just move it like this. Pag ni-rotate natin siya, nangyari, madaling matanggal. And then mapapansin mo dito, saan ba siya? Yan. May notch siya dito. So, gagamitin natin yan para ilagay yung replacement natin na ear cup. So, I have it over here. Buksan natin. Here we go. Brand new. So, what we're gonna do is, ayan, hanapin natin yung notch. This one. Ilulusot natin yung ear cup like this. So, yan. Yan. So, kita mo, naka-hook siya ng ganyan, di ba? Pinasok ko siya doon sa may notch itself. As you can see, there you go. So, ito wala pa, ito meron. Tapos, iikutin ko lang siya. Like this. Just make sure na I'm guiding it properly. Ganyan. Ikot, 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 ikot. A little bit more. Yan na. Nabubuo na siya. So, a little bit more, and finally, yan. It's all done. And you can see, bagong-bago siya. So, that was pretty easy and quick. Like, honestly, I didn't even realize na ganun lang pala yun. So, let's go ahead and do the other one. Bibilisan ko na kasi maubusan na ako ng oras dito sa recording ko. So, I'm just gonna pull it out. Okay, so look for the notch again. Nandyan siya. Let's open up itong extra natin. Thank you again, Pioneer DJ Philippines, for providing these. Okay, and then put it in the notch. Like so. Yan. Tapos slowly, carefully, iikutin natin. Hanggang pumasok siya all the way. And, poop, just like that. Mayos na siya. So, there you go. It's almost like new. Yung headband na lang yung kailangan kong hanapan ng paraan kung paano to mapalitan. I don't think this is actually replaceable, but I'll see what I can do. But the ear pads, at least, maayos sila, bagong-bago.